I'm just, amazed that this message hasn't gone out wider and farther than it has. But I guess when you think of it, it is sort of starting to spread like wildfire. And so, I want to feed that frenzy. But probably the most exciting thing to me has been how simple the solutions to correcting our climate, to restoring our water cycle. They're simple principles that can be understood by anyone. I think that, little kids could be taught this, but it's a little bit different. So, we need to be a little more open-minded, think things through. If we're not certain about something, look at all the examples. I mean, when you look and see where Sepp Holzer started, 30 or 40 years ago and what his results have been, Rajendra Singh, what he's done in India, and how, that first little shovel in the ground made all the difference. And I found that to be extremely inspiring. Just start digging a hole sometimes and thinking about where you're doing it. And no matter what anybody else, says, if you understand that that hole you're digging is going to accumulate water in a spot that's going to benefit wells, streams, the people downhill, the bugs and the critters that need just a little more water too. Once you start doing that and seeing the immediate results, I just love how simple the answers really are, but how important it is to start the work. And that's what's been a real privilege with Zach, is he doesn't talk theory. We don't, sit in classrooms and ponder and debate things. We do discuss them, we answer questions, and we go out and start doing it, prove it to ourselves, and then have an example, that we can share. I've had a wonderful lifelong career as a jewelry designer, and producing beautiful pieces has been a very satisfying thing in my life. But when I discovered this, it's just there's a fabulous purposefulness to it, and just a need for it that can be filled, and the excitement, of doing that, seeing the progress each year, seeing the progress in the Water Stories community, the people who are interested and trying to learn more, the people who are in the course and just getting exposed and doing their first projects. And then for the people who've been out in the profession already, who come together every month, we get together, we talk on our Zoom gatherings together. Zach's there to answer our questions. And this has just been, something that it wasn't, I didn't love, my career, and I'm still doing it on the side. It's just that this work is just like, a higher calling that, I just want to be a part of and feel I can contribute to. I'd read and heard about permaculture, and somehow got a copy of Sepp Holzer's permaculture book. And, it was challenging reading. It took me a while because there were concepts that he was introducing that I was not familiar with. And so I just kind of took it one step at a time. But, after a year, I'd just finished the book, and I'd heard that name, Sepp Holzer Workshop, came up somewhere. And I just thought, and then they said, last time in the United States. And I just said, this is something I really want to learn more about. Signed up for it, went out, and realized that it was all organized by Zach. Zach brought Sepp Holzer from Austria, set up a series of workshops in the States. And I think that was just really, really a life-changing track in the road that sent me in a new direction. I didn't hesitate for a moment to jump into Zach's course because I'd seen the work going on in the field, and I knew that his study and work with Sepp Holzer was amazing, and that was something I wanted to be a part of. if this is all new to you and you're wondering what to do, I mean, if you're hesitating, ask yourself why and see if you can get over that hurdle and try, because there's so many different directions within the field that you can go that, you're going to, flow like water into just the right place for you. And, Zach and his team are going to be able to, help guide you along the way, give you a little oar to steer a little bit this way or that. And I think that you're going to be real happy with where you end up. If some of these ideas and concepts are new to you and you'd really like to learn more, I'm working to develop a crash course to help you come and get a wider, experience and knowledge in what's going on, that in just a few days, get you exposed to the heroes in this field and their different approaches and successes, and empower you to go out with a firm grasp on the concept that our water cycle can be restored, that it's the easiest way to solve the climate direction that we've been headed in. It can be reversed as quickly as it went forward. We can back it right up, know the right things to do. They're not harmful. And, I just want to help empower people so that they can go out and, see that these solutions can and need to be implemented, and to get some ideas of what each of us can do, what's appropriate and possible for us to do to be a part of this, because it's a pretty exciting place to be. I am Becky Thatcher, and we are Water Stories.